India's foreign policy. Foreign policy can be defined as country's policy that is conceived, designed and formulated to safeguard and promote her national interests in her external affairs and in the conduct of relationships with other countries, both bilaterally and multilaterally. Basic concepts of India's foreign policy: preservation of national interests, achievement of world peace, disarmament, fostering cordial relationship with other countries, solving conflicts by peaceful means, independence of thought and action as per the principle of NAM, equality in conducting international relations, anti-colonialism, anti-imperialism and anti-racism. The Ministry of External Affairs of India, also known as the Foreign Ministry, comes under the Government of India and is responsible for conduct of foreign relations of India. Main objectives of our foreign policy: national security, increasing the number of friendly relations, achieving world peace and enabling every nation to peacefully coexist, economic development. The 5 principles of peaceful coexistence between India and China were signed on 28th April 1954, which stated that 2 governments entered into an agreement based on the following principles: mutual respect for each other's territorial integrity and sovereignty, mutual non-aggression, mutual non-interference, equality and cooperation for mutual benefit, peaceful coexist. The Non-Aligned Movement (NAM) in 1961. The term non-aligned movement was coined by V. Krishna Menon in his speech at United Nations in 1953. Non-alignment has been regarded as the most important feature of Indian foreign policy. It aimed to maintain national independence in foreign affairs by not joining any military alliance. It was the largest political grouping of countries in multilateral fora. The non-aligned movement was formed with a membership of 120 countries and 17 states as observers and 10 international organizations. Non-aligned countries have been successful in establishing a foundation of economic cooperation among underdeveloped countries. This shifts in India's policy manifested in various ways, such as better relations with China, the Look East policy 1992, the second nuclear tests at Pokhran 1998 in Rajasthan, defense procurement relationship with Israel, energy diplomacy with Arab countries and Iran. Global non-proliferation has been a dominant theme in India's nuclear policy. The 2 themes of India's nuclear doctrine are no first use, credible minimum deterrence. It has decided not to use nuclear power for offensive purposes and would never use against any non-nuclear state. Indo-US civilian nuclear deal marks a significant progress in India's foreign policy.